Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Remitly app. You will click on settings. This first page of settings, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Remitly app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support